In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal with Go High Level 2026. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Go High Level account with the right permissions and have a PayPal business account ready. Connecting PayPal lets you accept payments for invoices, funnels, and checkouts directly in your workspace, so this quick setup is well worth it. Start by opening the Payments section inside Go High Level. You'll find it in the main navigation. This is your central hub for everything related to billing, products, invoices, and, most importantly for today, payment gateways. Going here ensures the connection you set up will be available wherever you collect payments across your account. Once you're in Payments, move over to the Integrations area. This page lists the processors you can connect and shows whether anything is already linked. It's also where you can revisit a connection later if you need to review its status. Think of it as the control panel for your payment providers. Now look for the PayPal option and click Connect. When you do, Go High Level will prompt you to sign into PayPal and approve the connection. If a window doesn't appear, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. Log in to your PayPal business account, review the permissions, and confirm. If you manage multiple PayPal accounts, be sure you're choosing the correct business profile that matches your brand and currency settings. Depending on your security settings, PayPal might ask for a quick verification, and that's normal. After approval, you'll be routed back to Go High Level, and you should see PayPal marked as connected. That's your confirmation that the two platforms can now talk to each other. From here, PayPal will be available wherever Go High Level offers a payment gateway selector, like on invoices and checkout pages. If you run into issues at this stage, a couple of quick tips can help. Disable any strict pop-up or tracker blockers and try again. Ensure you're using an account role in Go High Level that's allowed to manage payments. And confirm your PayPal account is a business account and supported in your region. A quick refresh of the integrations page will often update the status if everything went through correctly. That's all there is to it. Open Payments, go to Integrations, and click Connect on PayPal. With that done, you're ready to start collecting payments smoothly through Go High Level using PayPal. Thanks for watching.